Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss K and I am back with a show and tell. However, if you have not hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so, as I'm sorry, turn on your notification bells so that you do not miss my next uploads, okay? All right, you guys, this is the way that this unit is looking today. Oh my God, when I tell you that the struggle has been so real with this unit, it really was real for me. Now, today I have on the Instant Up and Down, half up, half down, and this is by Sensational. I purchased this unit in the color 1B. So as you can see by the stock card, you can take and wear this one unit in 4 different ways. Yes, you heard me right. This one unit and you get 4 different hairstyles out of it. As you can see, as I stated before, I am wearing my hair in the half up, half down. Now, let me tell you how this all played out, ladies. This unit right here was super cute. I had to have it because, you know, your girl loves some curly hair from time to time. And I absolutely love a half up, half down. You just cannot go wrong with that. So I ordered this unit. And again, I got this unit in the color 1B. And as you can see, there's directions on the back of the stock card. So what you do is you part your hair from ear to ear, which is what I did, ladies. So then the next step was I took and braided my hair going down straight across so that I could have that anchor braid to put the combs in. The construction of this unit is going to be the 2 combs that are up here, and then there's a comb in the back. However, it doesn't not have the adjustable straps. It's like a drawstring on there. So yeah, that was a problem for me because my head is so small. I was trying to make this all work and it did not. Now, you get this unit right here, which is the half wig, and then you get this to when you put your hair in your ponytail. And as you can see, it has the hair right here so you can wrap it around. And then this one has 1 comb as well. Well, I have a very small head. Not only do I have a small head, I have fine hair. You put those 2 together and it was a struggle for your girl. So I had to just take and utilize the half wig, put my natural hair in a ponytail, and then I lifted it up so much of the hair, about that much, and I put it in a ponytail around mine, and voila, this is what I got. So I am absolutely loving the hair, but I did not, again, want to do the show and tell, but it was just way too much. It was a real struggle. The video was super long, and I just was not having it. I wasn't having it at all. So, with that being said, this hair is a shiny silk. Yeah, I guess you could say it has a light, and I do mean light yaki texture. So, you know, you're not going to really, in my opinion, be that successful with the, let me take that back. Let me take it back. You can wear this in a half wig if your hair is natural. However, you're going to just, I would suggest wearing a wider headband to cover your hair. If you were trying to make your hair blend with this, it's going to be a struggle. It's going because of the texture. So hopefully you can get a good view of this and see. So it's not much of a yucky texture. So again, it would be a little bit of a challenge. You could get away with wearing it in a half wig, but I would strongly suggest putting on a headband that's, you know, rather wide to cover up your natural hair. As well as you can take and put your hair in a slick pony all the way back and put this on and wrap it around as such, and you good to go. But this is a very, very nice unit. I got minimal shedding with this unit. I like the density of it, but I'm absolutely in love with this curl pattern. I purchased this in the color 1B. I've been extremely happy with it. I couldn't wait to wear it, so I was trying to hurry up and get my review done. But this unit right here to me is screaming, I'm ready for spring, I'm ready for summer. But again, I love this unit. I like how long it is. Speaking of, I'm pretty short. So it comes about right there on me. It's not too long. Like I said, I've got minimal shedding with this. So let me let you guys get a good look at her. So of course the front, here's the side, the back, and here's the other side. So, ladies, if you already have this unit, leave me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking, how you liked it. And again, I have a small head, so that's why I was able to just wear it in the half wig and do the half up, half down. But leave me your comments, leave me your thoughts, let me know what you think. If you're gonna purchase this unit, if you've seen it and you were interested in it, just let me know so we can have that dialogue going back and forth. And you guys, again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do so, as well as turn on your notification bell. And as always, I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.